I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Prius Prox. This one's our existing Prox. We're going to be using this Prox instead, as it is the Camry Prox for the later model Camrys. It'll work 100% in place of it, just ignore the button. So, we go to Prius, key coding. You can use 18, it's the same thing, Smart Key 4. We will add 19 in the menu. Okay, we're going to press the hazards. Key on our keys. 2. We're going to program a key. Yes. Okay. We're going to do this on our first remote. Here we go. 1 beep. Okay, now we're going to take the next key and hold it up, and it should have 2 beeps. There we go, 2 beeps. Enter. And on this one here, you can hit escape, but you have to wait usually the 30 seconds for it to time down, so we're just going to wait. And your remotes will be inoperable until the time down is complete. Alright, complete, and then we'll check our key count. 3, perfect. Unplug from our port there. Press the unlock button. Press the unlock button. And we are done.